Hey, what's up, Vechain holder? So this is live price prediction of Vechain coin, my brother, and this time Vechain will get a 21% profit in last 24 hours, my brother. So it's a very good profit, my brother. Sorry, in last 7 days, my brother, and 0.1 USD dollar is the latest highest price of Vechain coin, my brother. But absolutely, my brother, everybody knows this too. In those days, every cryptocurrencies, all cryptocurrency, my brother, were moving upward because crypto market is comfortable. So therefore, if a crypto market, that's all depend on crypto market, my brother. If a crypto market is comfortable, so therefore all cryptocurrencies will moving upward. If a crypto market was not comfortable, so therefore all currencies were fails down. So my brother, absolutely, if a crypto market is comfortable, so everybody knows this too, we will get a profit now. Please, my all viewers, my subscriber, I have one request for all of you to kindly, you need to just subscribe this channel, and I will give you 100% guarantee to you will be never lost. My brother, this time you can see is completely show you to upcoming time there is 100% chance to they will moving upward, because everybody knows this to after a fails they will, after a jump they will fails down. So therefore after this huge jump they will fails down, but after this fail I am 100% sure they will take a very huge jump now. So that's clear, my brothers. To after this fail I know to they will take a very huge jump. So kindly, if you are new my channel, just and only you need to subscribe this channel for this type more informative videos. Please subscribe this channel and also press bell icon. Alright, this time as you can see here, this time the price will fail us down, but as you can see my present 21.15% profit, absolutely they will show here now. So this is clear, my brothers, to absolutely that's all. This is the average, my brother. This is the average. Clear shortcut is that, my friend, you can see here. Okay, this is the average of this chart, my brother. Alright, my brother. So this means this time VChain will completely in the profit, but definitely that's all depends on holder. If a holder are starting selling, so they will falls down, but if a holder are stop selling, so they will moving upward. So please, holder, please don't miss this chance, take a risk and get a profit. I am 100% sure they will give you a profit. Thanks for watching, holder. Please like video and subscribe channel.